Hey, random people out there on the internet. Been a couple of days now. My shelves are in the house and I will be showing them off at some point in the near future, but they're still trying to gas out a little bit, so we're going to wait. In my last video, I started talking about doing another birdhouse. This one is going to be different. If you watched that video, you'll know that I'm using mesquite wood, which is considerably more expensive and it's a hardwood instead of what I used for the first birdhouse, which was just kind of a let's see how to do it kind of thing. So we're going to refine that process. Using the same methods that I used to cut those strips, I have cut a whole lot more strips. I've got a few drying up, and I think that they've gone long enough that maybe we can take a look at them and see how that came out for us. You'll notice that I put a long flat board across all four of these segments so that it keeps it nice and flat while the glue dries up. Also, you'll notice that I've put tape on the top and the bottom along every joint. Reason being is that if there's some squeeze out, it's going to minimize it and it's all going to be kind of captured. So we're going to loosen these guys up and we're going to see how these came out for us. Now these panels will be the sides of the birdhouse, which I plan to make look a little different than the last one. So we're going to bring them over here. And again, you can see I put tape on both sides along all the joints. All right, so there you have it. Now, again, because I put the tape on there on both sides, there's a very, very, very little squeeze out here. And these are not quite smooth, so I'll be taking a sander and knocking this down. I'll probably use a 120 and 220 to get these nice and smooth. And instead of being like this, I think I'm going to make the birdhouse like this. If you've watched any of my videos, you know that I kind of play it by ear as I go through. I don't make a big, okay, here's the drawing, here's the plan, so on and so forth. And I'm not saying that you should take my path, but everybody's a little different. Some people want to take plans and duplicate the plans. To me, I want things that are completely unique and original, one of a kind. Yeah, it's just a little quirk of mine. But in any event, that's my progress for today. Hoping that my shelf continues and finishes gassing off so that I can put it in place and give you an idea of what it looks like while it's being used. So again, thanks again for all your views. Thank you for sharing my videos with others. Hit the like button and let me know you're out there. Best yet, leave a comment. Let me know what you think of my channel. In the meantime, as always, be safe.